Today I'm showing my friend Melvin a simple potting mix for transplanting flowers. We'll build it in 5 easy sections, step by step. You can replicate this at home, and if you want the same ingredients, you can order them from us. Here are 3 buckets: rock sand, wood-based charcoal, and DITO'S Vermicompost. The first thing we will do is we will fill the bag with 1/4 of rock sand. This will be the bottom layer. Now that the bottom layer of rock sand is in, we'll mix wood-based charcoal with DITO'S Vermicompost and add that as the second layer. This puts the nutrients right in the root zone, so when the plant starts rooting down, it hits a rich, living layer. The charcoal helps hold moisture and nutrients, improves airflow, and gives microbes a place to live, so roots can grow stronger without sitting in soggy compost. After that, we'll add another layer of rock sand to keep the mix well drained and balanced. Now we add a layer of DITO'S Vermicompost, then we'll top it with leaf mulch. Next, I'm grabbing some dried leaves from our leaf collection area, the same leaves we use in our biocomposters. You might also spot our new little puppy running around. I'll cut the leaves into smaller pieces with scissors, super simple. And that becomes our mulch layer on top of the DITO'S Vermicompost. This top layer works like a blanket. It shields the compost from the hot sun and heavy rain, helps it stay moist longer, and keeps the tiny beneficial life in the compost active so your mix stays richer for longer. Then we water the bag, and that's it. You've got a ready potting mix to start planting into. This is a method we use a lot at DITO'S Garden. If you enjoyed this quick potting mix tutorial, please hit like, share it with a fellow plant lover, and subscribe for more simple garden methods we use at DITO'S Garden. And if you want to get your hands on DITO'S Vermicompost, check the description below to place your order. See you in the next one.